organizer and curator of this festival. In addition to her professional responsibilities, she has kept up her interest in painting as an artist for more than 2 decades. It has been a rich journey of exploring her surroundings, environment, people, and their culture during her varied administrative positions. Her works can be accessed on several websites, and her artwork, Three Generations, has been selected for the exhibit at the famous Carrousel de Lorry, Paris, France, December 2013. I now request ma'am to kindly address our audience. Ma'am Kiran Soni Gupta.
Our worthy guests of the evening, respected Sir Satish Mehta ji, Honorable Justice Ahluwalia ji, Honorable Justice Chauhan ji, respected Naveen Chawla ji, our friends Jyotika ji and Rampitab ji, and last but not the least, Madhukar ji. Yes, and very good senior, whom you already know, Jatin Das ji is with us. This time to bless the festival. I welcome him. For the festival, we are looking forward to his good art and creativity. We all know we have gathered together for the second edition of the Jaipur Art Festival. In fact, we are celebrating the first birthday of Jaipur Art Festival. Let us put our hands together to celebrate this. I welcome all our 45 participants from 24 countries who have come from far-flung corners of the world: Macedonia, Moldova, Turkey, Japan, Australia, France, Iran, Sri Lanka, and lot many others, and all 195 artists from the 22 states of India. I'm happy that our dream, our vision to make Jaipur more culturally vibrant, we are moving a step forward towards that. Truly speaking, ever since I started painting, it was a wonderful networking with the artist and the artist community that I was fortunate to get connected all over the world with artists all over the world, and always dreamt of putting them together to see and to realize how enriching art is when we come to a sharing platform. The group energy, the synergy which is created, I think really brings our own self, our own soul on the canvas. Truly, this art festival, which was conceived over a cup of tea a year ago, which happened in a very short while, the first edition, was a huge success and was very well received. I'm happy, as promised, that we would bring a bigger and a bolder festival next year. Surely, this is certainly much larger than the last year. We have with us total, sir, about 250 artists here. This Jaipur Art Festival is unique in many ways. Besides the convergence of arts which we bring through the local crafts, like the beautiful women from rural areas who have done the beautiful mannas, the artists from all the states of India at the national level, and artists at the international level. I'm sure that experiences in the coming week of being together will certainly enable us to take Indian arts to a higher level. Secondly, a lot of vanishing arts we see, the traditional arts particularly, which need little encouragement to sustain, survive, grow and flourish, and to pass it on to the next generation. To meet this, so we have created and crafted demonstrations which are 42 in number, which surely are open to all. Anybody can sit and learn with the artists, can do, replicate. And it is basically for the vanishing arts that we need, promote, learn, teach. And this Jaipur Art Festival gives a wonderful opportunity for everyone. Thirdly, we do also have a project of doing a mural work in art in public space. We certainly need to take art to the masses, to the common man, and enabling to art make a difference in the lives of everyone. And tomorrow we'll be very happy to have a talk by Jatin Das ji on art in public space in tomorrow evening. Besides this, we do have a photo contest which is open to all with the theme Life in Pink City and the Jaipur Art Festival itself 2014. Alongside, the week is full of talks, seminars. We going to have wonderful talks beside Jatin Das ji's. We'll have by Justice Chauhan a very nice presentation on sculpture which is titled Hammer and Chisel. This is going to happen on 21st. The schedule is there, and I'll request everyone to take the full benefit of this. We also have Mr. Kashinath's presentation on the 23rd. Besides this, there are wonderful art films which we are showing. We have already showcased Amrita Shergill ji, Jamini Roy. We have done Salvador Dali, and we are going to do Monet, Renoir, Vincent van Gogh, and the Mystery of Picasso in the coming few days. One thing which I really would like to appeal to the people of Jaipur and to friends and to all the art lovers here. All the artists with the wonderful creative ambience that prevails here, I'm sure will produce wonderful works which will be before you for the exhibition from 22nd onwards till the 25th. We know that for an artist it is always a very humbling experience to create something. Art reflects the soul of society. It freezes the movement, and every great society is known by its arts. Every great nation, every great age is known by the heights it has achieved at that point of time. And truly your art is going to define the contemporary times of today. And for an artist, the greatest thing is to art go to the right places, for which I'll appeal the art lovers, the art collectors, the art connoisseurs, to encourage these artists and to see that art really goes to its proper place. It goes where it is valued, where the sentiments are attached, and a thing of beauty which gives them joy forever. And I'm sure this festival is going to involve the people, all the art lovers, all the art collectors, all the artists, all the emerging artists, all the volunteers, the students, the city of Jaipur, and we look forward that it is the artists who have gathered here who made it happen. I would like to thank all the artists, everybody present here, all our guests who have come here to bless the show, and we shall certainly take it forward in the continuing years to come. Thank you so much.
Monet did not discuss his project again for quite some time, but there he sat at work at the water's edge. No longer dealing with the mural's continuity or his panoramic vision, he cut into the landscape, choosing fragments to include and transpose onto his canvas. This impression is also produced by the effect of...
The remainder will, I believe, make for an excellent show.
Not together. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Together.
wonderful book, and later on we can all have a look at it. And once it's done, I would ask Dr. Parag Vyas to say a few words to all of us. Thank you. Can I also ask the Major General, Kiran Soni, to please come up? On the 20th of this was from a very, very neighboring and lovely country from Sri Lanka. I call upon Vishy. Yes, Vishy, with a wonderful elephant. Next we have the wonderful Brazilians with us, Walmir Bilmotti, Emmanuel Lasco de Crasnanuens. And one, Jyotika Singh. May I call upon Soni to come and tell us why is she doing this?
Good evening, sir, and all dear friends. It's a moment of deep satisfaction. I think my words really can't explain it. To see the Jaipur Art Festival, which we once dreamt, we worked on it, has absolutely come out the way we wanted. This Jaipur Art Festival has happened all because of it. I place on record my deep thanks to all the participating artists for giving us the wonderful 5 days of their creative space and time. And thank you for the wonderful creations which you have done, which certainly are going to freeze the time that we are living in. Time and again I was hearing the world is one family. So true. The Jaipur Art Festival did it. While I was planning for this festival, the artists got connected. Last year when it was first, we had 130 artists. Even that seemed to be us at that time a very overwhelming number. But when I started working on the second one, it was like a geometrical progression. And I just couldn't help the good art that you all shared with me. And that good art has brought us all together. I must thank our guest of the evening, General Jha, for coming and giving us the blessings. We are deeply honored with your presence, sir. Art, because we really need, besides art and artists, we need art comedians, we need art lovers, and they we don't do better than him. As you have all seen this art festival unrolling, a lot of people have worked and contributed to the success of this. I must thank everybody who's contributed in terms of effort, mind, soul, spirit. Funds, sponsors, everybody. I would like to thank the EAC team and particularly Chantal and Philip who connected me with them while I was showing at Louvre in December 2013. All the artists who are present have been connected because of my art. And we see what a wonderful results it could be, how art connects us to people and artists and the art community. My art residency in Molnitz in Austria last summer, I had 5-6 people who have come from there and their other friends. A lot of people whom I already know in the States. A lot of crafts people in the rural areas that I got to work with it. And I firmly believed that art has to begin from the grassroots. And it was a wonderful thing. My artists, the artisans, the craftspeople who came and showed the wonderful, skillful talent and what they have created, what human hands can do. We all have such rich examples of the creativity and the creative products. I firmly believe that India, with its rich cultural heritage, and if we have that creativity coming together alive, it can change the shape of India to come in the future. I would also like to thank all our sponsors who have contributed, all the zonal cultural centers who helped us, all the academies, the Urdu Academy, the Lalit Kala Academy, the Sanskrit Academy, the Regional Academy, the Kalakriti Foundations, the Artist Center, and many, the GOE, which was really the backbone of this festival. And my thanks to everybody. And we should remember that this art festival is of the artist, by the artist, for everyone. And this is where we'll part to meet again. And surely, Mr. Shetty, if you continue doing this wonderful works, all the spots will be reserved for you. Thank you.